love it. Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate Car Audio YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're diving into 2 explosive demos from Team Obscene Creations. First off, let's get things shaking with 2 Sundown Audio Zv612s pounding on the Down4Sound JP630. Get ready for some serious bass. Then we move on to some heavy hitters with 4 DC Audio Level 312s powered by Synergy 5000. Make sure you like, share, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Let's go!
You gotta feel that heat.
What's going on, man? What you got here, man?
I got 2 CV612s on a JP630, 160 amp hour of headway.
Can I hear this thing?
You can hear it. I can't demo very long because my alt is giving me problems. You see my resting voltage.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, them alts be going iffy. What alt do you have on there right now?
Huh?
What alt is on there?
It's stock alt.
Oh, stock alt.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Well, it's time to upgrade the thing, man. These motors are huge. What motor is these again? You said ZV6s?
Yeah, Sundown JP63000.
Golly. crazy though?
What?
We just talked about getting full song demos.
Yeah.
They didn't matter about how long, about how loud the system is, about how peaky it is, but and being able to enjoy the whole song
Yeah.
without breaking stuff and,
And I
just
only went
bass
down
down.
to 12.8, so I mean, my shit's still safe there.
Come
so.
on, man. I love it, man.
Yeah.
That's dope, man. What can you find you on social media? You have any social media?
TikTok,
What's your TikTok?
Jason Big Nose.
Jason Big Nose. We'll put it on the screen for you, man. Thank you, man.
All right, man.
Your amplifiers. Can I see your amplifiers? Your amplifiers.
My amplifiers?
Yeah. Can I see them?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, nice and clean. I love it. I love it. Any upgrades or what you thinking?
For next season, I'm gonna add 2 more Sundown Zv6 and we're gonna do a pushing 4th order blow through.
Okay.
I'm just gonna remove the upper glass and have the port and everything right there in the upper glass.
Just upper glass,
Yeah.
and then seal that part off, so you don't have to cut the frame out.
Right, yeah, I'm not gonna cut anything, just remove
To
the
have a
glass.
seal side down and port up top. Oh, that's gonna be dope, dude.
It's gonna be
That's gonna be fire. That's a good. How big ratio? You know, yeah. Or you thought they far
Oh
ahead?
yeah, haven't thought that far.
Are you gonna tune it for what? Super low? 42-ish, 44.
Yeah. You already know.
Dude, I'm loving it. Hey, we gonna be the recording out too. Say the more, man. What's going on, buddy? You got something here? What's going on? Loving it. That's up, man. I'm loving it. That's up, man. What do you have in this thing, man?
Just
Beautiful
412.
vehicle.
So it's got 4 DC audio, level 312.
Get the microphone right here.
So it's got 4 DC audio, level 312s on a Synergy 5K, set at 2 ohms.
Yes, sir.
So it's pushing about 2,000 per sub, 8,000 watts. MechMan 400 alternator, excess power battery 3400, all sky high car. So I got 3 runs going to the amp, 3 positives, 3 grounds. Yeah,
Very, very beautiful. I love when everything's super nice.
Yep, I
and
try
nice
to keep
and neat.
everything clean and just low enough to where I'm not going to tear stuff up in the car.
Also, how long did it take you to finish the build?
About 6 months.
6 months to do
Yep.
everything. How was wiring 3 runs of wire?
So everything has to go underneath the vehicle on these new Escalades because trying to run it down the side inside the vehicle,
Not gonna happen
it's
anymore.
not going to happen.
Okay.
There's just already too much wiring with all the stock stuff that they got going on.
Yes, sir.
So with Cadillac, it was almost impossible.
Absolutely.
So I went with Steve Mead when he did his Escalade. That's where
he posted a bunch of content. Yeah.
So when he did that, that's
Yes,
what
sir.
gave me the idea to go ahead and just go down underneath the vehicle.
Okay.
And then run it up through the back. And then the Cadillac on the passenger side's got a spot already with a rubber boot and everything, so it was actually pretty easy to go through there.
Just go up there and make it a little bigger, reseal it.
Get underneath there and just run everything under it and zip tie it up real good and hook it up through the back, and it was actually pretty easy.
Awesome.
It was a lot easier than going through the inside of the vehicle.
Oh, I bet it will be. That's what that many wires.
Yeah, so everything's all 2-aught, sky high.
You loving it so far?
Do what?
You loving the build so far?
Yeah. I mean, sky high's been good to me, so.
Awesome. So I see you have some wisdom on your face.
Maybe a little bit.
I want you to remember your very, very, very first sound system you had. What was it? Think deep now.
It was a 1987 Malibu Classic station wagon.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
And it was lowered, set on a set of 10s. 100 spokes, and it had everything Phoenix Gold.
Really?
Phoenix Gold single aught. I mean, I had 6 amps in there. And I should have kept the vehicle.
Why'd you get rid of it?
I had some issues with it.
Yeah.
One was the rims; they were bent, so I could only do like 30 miles an hour down the road.
Okay.
And then the second one was it had a thermostat issue. I sold the vehicle, and the guy that bought the vehicle, he actually put a 350 in it. And it's actually still running around Champaign, Illinois.
Oh, okay, that's dope.
And same vehicle, and
think about ever calling and pulling it back, bringing it home.
He wants too much for it.
Really?
Yep. So.
Do you remember what you sold it for back then?
I think I sold it for $800.
What?
Yeah. So.
Yeah. It's one of those things.
If I could have saved it back then, I would have, but. I couldn't do it.
We all been there.
I ended up getting an 86 Econoline van, Ford Econoline van, and back then I didn't know what I was doing.
Yeah.
So I put 2 10s, a 12, and a 15 in it, and it was luxury. I mean, everything in it. I mean, I had captain chairs. I could switch them all around, turn them. I had 2 coolers, 2 TVs. Back then, Nintendo.
Yeah.
I mean, it had everything. That's another vehicle I wish I would never get rid of.
Wait, you say you had a Nintendo?
Nintendo back then. Yeah.
How'd you power that thing with multiple line inverters?
Man, back then we didn't even.
What y'all do?
We didn't even have all the alternators and batteries we got today. So I had extra batteries on my own.
24-volt, yeah.
And so I mean, it worked. It was rough, but it worked.
That is dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. Awesome. Well, we love it, man. I'm glad you came with Slamology. Great build. So, what do you think about Slamology so far?
The what?
Hey, what do you think about Slamology so far?
Slamology. This is my 4th year here. Man, I love it. I got to come back every year. Next year, I plan on bringing my semi with me. Okay. I'm gonna do a 418 build in it.
So that's dope.
Yeah.
That's dope. That's dope.
We'll be over there probably with Davis Brothers and Big Rig Roundup. I used to compete with them. 4 or 5 years ago. And I like them. Guys are great, man. Davis Brothers.
Yes, sir.
They're awesome people, so you can't beat them.
That is awesome. That's awesome. So last question, man. What is your social media that we can find you at?
Chad D. Henson on Facebook. I post as much as I can.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Gotta feel that heat, and we can ride.